You can see in the euro yen the strength of the yen, and it actually did pull back the euro yen. I mean, if you look at the radar screen for the euro yen, this is very interesting because I want to share this piece of information with you. From last week, our short point was below the 102.21. If it came below the point, the 102.21, that was our selling point, and it was our structural short point. And whenever we have a trade, the entry point is the same as the structural point. So the structural long point is the same as the structural long point, and the vice versa with the short point. It actually is a good trade and should be one of the top trades that we should be selecting to take. And there there is the selling point from last week. We had a pretty strong move to the downside. It came down, and now it traded below the other structure point, which is the 101.60, and now we are closed the week at 101.43. Having said that, so it's 101.62, so let's make it, at least be precise with the, again, just to be the 101.62. Just going to put a point so I can mark it. Okay, so we are now, if you look at this chart, it's easy. We're sitting at 101.43. The structure point is 101.62. So now, as long as we're below the 101.62, you want to be short. You will not think of buying the euro yen unless it goes back above the 101.62. So therefore, the euro yen, you're only going to buy it above 101.62, which is your structural long point, as you see on the daily chart, and therefore it will be your long point and structural long point, and it will also be, in this case, your stop. Okay, and you should also put a line on your intraday chart so that you can visualize where this point is. So that is your 101.62 right there. There is your 101.62. Okay, now for the short, this is a picture perfect kind of a chart. You have a well bonafide trend to the downside. Now you had the gift from the low of that move is your gift, and we're beginning to roll over to the downside. So we can go short. There is your minor, I mean, right here is a minor structure point right there at 101.40. So just to be on the safe side, we can take it here, in this case, right below the 101.20. So we can go short below 101.20. And our structure short point in this case will be the 99.88. And our stop, if I'm going to go short here below 101.20, my stop would be inside the range where which is the neutral zone, which is the 101.50. So my stop is going to be the 101.50. So for the euro yen, we're buying it above the 101.62, which is our structural long point, and it will be, in this case, our stop. On the short side, we're going to go short below 101.21, and we're looking for it to decline all the way down to the 99.88, and our stop in this case will be about 101.50, right in the middle of the range. Okay, that is the euro yen. Let me save it.